What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I've decided to do like this glam smoky eye kind of goldish glittery look. So yeah, if you guys are interested in recreating this, then go ahead and keep on watching. So guys, for today's glam look, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. How pretty. This one got messed up. But that's okay, that's okay. I can still work with that. So the first shade that I'm going to be taking is this one. It's named Eden. Next up, I'm going to be taking the shade Saturn. And I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing I did with Eden. Just going to use Saturn just to deepen up that outer corner. Alright guys, to deepen up the look a little bit more, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. It's like this brown shade. It's named Parallel. And I'm just going to apply that right on the outer corner. So you kind of want to add a little bit and blend it out, and if you need to add more, you can go ahead and do that. And sometimes like when you blend out a color, it kind of fades out, so you kind of like just want to add more just to bring that color back out. So now I'm going in with this black shade from the palette. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. So now what we're going to be doing is cutting our crease. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the PLOUISE in the shade 0.5. I have like no idea what's the name of this brush, but this brush is so good to cut your crease. I think I got it in one of like my Boxy Charm, one of those months. I'm not sure which one. You can either use this one or the Inglot 22T brush. You can use either or. And also the Anastasia No. 3 brush. That one is really good. So now we're going to go in with this brown shade Parallel. I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to put that on my outer corner. Just going to add a little bit of black on the outer corner as well. I'm going to be adding this shimmer. It's called Pyramid in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to go ahead and spray it with a little bit of setting spray. Also taking External, and I'm just applying that right in between these two shades, just to kind of like blend it out. I'm gonna go ahead and take a really small brush and take that black shade. Just creating like a liner with the black shade. And I'm making it thicker as I go out. Alright guys, so that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. I'm going to start off with a moisturizer. Today I'm going to be using this one by YSL. This is like one of my favorites, as you guys already know. For primer today, I'm going to be using this one by Touch in Soul. It's the No Poreblem Prime Essence. Okay guys, so for foundation today, I'm going to be using the LANCOME Tinted Ultra Wear. This brush is from Sephora. I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender. Alright guys, for concealer today, I'm going to be using this one by GIRL. It is the Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Lifting Concealer. in the shade Light, just to brighten up just a little bit more underneath my eyes. Alright guys, to contour, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation Stick in the shade Mocha. To set my concealer, of course, I'm going to be using the Chanel translucent powder. While that is baking, I am going to go ahead and use this bronzer by BOBBI BROWN. I'm going to put on some translucent powder to define my contour. I'm going to go back into the Anastasia Prism palette. I'm going to be going ahead and taking the shade Parallel. And I'm going to be picking up the shade Saturn. Blend that brown shade with this color. I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat brush. This one's by MAC. And I'm gonna take that black shade, apply it on my lower lash line. Just like at the end. And then I'll just kind of like smoke that out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and remove the translucent powder. For highlight today, I'm going to be using the LA Girl highlighting palette. I'm going to be going ahead and taking these two shades right here. Also going to be taking a little bit of that highlight and applying it underneath my brows. Okay, so for blush today, I'm going to be using the LA Girl blush palette. I'm going to be taking like this pinkish shade at the end. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Set my face, I'm going to be using the All Star setting spray by ColourPop. So for lips, I'm going to be using the Shayla and ColourPop lip pencil Bff4. So guys, for lips, my camera stopped working. For some reason it stopped recording. Sorry about that. But for lips, what I did, I used the MILANI lipstick in the shade Matte Naked. And then I went and topped it off with the LAURANT gloss in the color Champagne. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this glam look. If you guys haven't already done so, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. Turn on that little bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this glam look. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel.